Priyanka and you're watching Organizopedia. In today's video, I'm going to share my living room cleaning routine. And for that, I have divided this video in 3 parts. In first, I'm going to share my everyday cleaning routine. In the second one, I'm going to give you what all things I do on weekly basis. And at last, I'm going to share my monthly cleaning routine. I'm going to follow all the detailed steps in all the 3 routines so that it would be easy for you to understand. In my everyday cleaning routine, I follow very simple steps because it won't be possible in this busy life to clean every nook and corner on daily basis. So for that, I take this DIY homemade all-purpose cleaner. All the details for this DIY cleaner is in the description box. And I have a separate video also on how to make the DIY homemade cleaners. If you like, I will provide the links in the description box and you can even check the I button. Along with that, I take a microfiber cloth. I just simply spray the all-purpose cleaner on the microfiber cloth and then wipe down all the furniture in the living room. I won't do it on every day, I do it on every alternate days, but I will always make sure to clean my coffee table on daily basis. So this is the foyer area, and as you already knew that I have these frames at one of the walls. So here I'm just simply cleaning it with the help of this microfiber cloth. So here I am using the same all-purpose DIY cleaner and cleaning this console table. So in the same way, I clean all the furnitures in the living room. Thumb rule is to start from top to bottom. And here I am not cleaning the artifacts, I am just cleaning the surface only because it's not possible on daily basis to clean each and everything in the house. On weekly basis, I make sure to deep clean all the furnitures and the artifacts which I have in my living room. And for the same, this is my cleaning caddy which contains all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, wood polish, microfiber clothes, microfiber duster, wipers, cleaning brushes, etc. So I have this Mandirkam partition unit in the living room. And here you all can see I have these 4 rectangular boxes to the height of the ceiling. And the 4th one, which is on the top, it's not possible for me to clean it on daily basis. That is why I always make sure to clean it once in a week, and I clean all the artifacts also which is on the top. And so here you can see I'm using this blue color microfiber cloth which is completely dry. So first I make sure to wipe down the surfaces with the dry microfiber cloth. And once when I'm done with the dry cleaning, I take this DIY all-purpose cleaner, I spray it on the surface. And here you can see I'm using this extendable microfiber duster because it's really hard to reach the surfaces on the top with the help of microfiber cloth. So to clean the surfaces on the top, I use this microfiber duster to make sure that I clean them properly. So here I'm also using the same DIY all-purpose cleaner, and then I'm just cleaning the surface with the help of microfiber cloth this time. We have the CNC jali at the back of the mandir, and to clean it I use this microfiber duster because with the help of a cloth it's not possible to remove the dust particles from the jali. So I use this duster. Once in a week it is very important to deep clean the artifacts. Otherwise you'll see a layer of dust will accumulate and later on it will become very impossible to clean the artifacts. That is why I always make sure to clean them once in a week. So for cleaning such idols, I use paintbrush to dry clean them, and then I use the all-purpose cleaner to make sure to clean them nicely. So here I am using this dry microfiber cloth to clean the artifacts once before I apply the all-purpose cleaner or the glass cleaner to the articles. I use DIY glass cleaner to clean all the glass articles. I'm simply spraying the solution on the glass article, and then with the help of the microfiber cloth, I'll just simply wipe it down. So here I'm using this DIY wood polish, which is the solution of olive oil and water. I'm just simply spraying it on the wooden articles to clean them. And here I'm arranging things back to their places. I follow the same steps to clean the TV unit also. That is to remove artifacts, spray the DIY all-purpose cleaner on the surface and then wipe it down with the help of microfiber cloth and the microfiber duster. So here I am cleaning this mirror. For that I am using this DIY glass cleaner, and then I am taking the small wiper to clean the mirror. Once in a week, I try to clean the television also. For that, I take this isopropyl rubbing alcohol, which is also called as surgical spirit, and you can very easily find it from the chemist shop. Just take it out on the paper kitchen towel, and then with the help of this solution, clean the television. So this is the dust and this is how it looks. And on every alternate week, I try to clean the sliding door in my whole home. So this is the window slot cleaner brush. I use it to clean the tracks of the sliding door. The link for this product is in the description box. If you want, you can check it out from there. But I highly recommend this product because it is just awesome to clean the tracks of the sliding door. So this is how you can see it will take out all the dust from the track. It actually comes with a little pan also, which is actually meant to clean the dust. But my baby, I don't know where did he keep it. I'm not able to find it. That is why I'm using this tissue paper to take out the dust from the track. And once when you're done, take a wet wipe and then clean out the surfaces to make sure there will be no dry dust particles left on the track. So now let's see how we can clean the glass of the sliding door. For that I'm taking this dry microfiber cloth and I'm removing all the dust particles from the glass and the aluminium track. Then I'm going to use this as a car cleaning brush and spray. So I'm just spraying the solution on the glass, and from this side I'm just evenly distributing the solution nicely on the glass, and here is the wiper. With the help of that I'm wiping the solution down. The link for this product is also in the description box. If you like, you can check it from there. Here is an alternate way. If you don't want to buy this product, then simply use this DIY glass cleaner. Spray it on the glass and then take a cloth and simply spread the solution all over the glass, and then take a small wiper and wipe down the solution. Then at last take dry microfiber cloth to remove any residual patches left on the glass door. And this is the easiest way to clean the glass doors at home. In my monthly cleaning routine, I follow the deep cleaning routine, which is my weekly cleaning routine. And along with that, the 3 steps to make my living room look more clean and organized, which we usually forgot. First one is to clean the main or the entrance door, which opens in the living room. And for that I use this mesh door cleaning brush. I got it from the Club Factory. The prices are very reasonable if we compare it from the Amazon. So link is in the description box. I use this brush to clean the net which we have on our SS door. You can also clean the net of your windows or any door which you have in your home. So this brush actually has bristles which make it very easy to clean the net. Once in a month I always like to clean the net of this SS door with the help of this brush, and here I'm doing the same thing. I'm cleaning the net from inside and from the outside. So here is the close-up. This is how you have to clean it with the help of this brush. just slide it up and down like this. It has bristles which make it easy to clean the net. It goes inside into the net and make sure to remove the dust from here. And this is the one thing which makes this door look always brand new. So here also I'm using the same window slot cleaner brush to clean such tracks. And then at last, to clean the SS door, I take this DIY all-purpose cleaner, I spray it on the door, and then with the help of microfiber cloth, I wipe it down. And to clean this wooden door, I use the DIY all-purpose cleaner, spraying it on the door, and then with the help of this extendable microfiber duster, I'm cleaning the door. Second, I have this mosaic tiles in the foyer area. So I always make sure with the help of all-purpose cleaner and this duster to deep clean it. So here I'm spraying the solution on the tiles, and then with the help of this duster I'm going to wipe it down. And third and the last is, if you have mirrors or the paintings or sceneries on the wall, please take it out and make sure to deep clean them. This is all for today's video, and I really hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned for the next video because it's going to be something which will make your day very productive with your toddler. So stay tuned for that. Till then, be organized, happy cleaning, and bye bye.